Day Say Kids.
Reading comprehension for children. Read the short story twice and answer the following questions. My father drive our little car. It is green in color. It can go very fast. It takes us to everywhere. Last month we went to the park in our car. It is a very beautiful place. I played well there and returned home. Now it's your time. Let's try to read. It's time to think. There will be 15 questions. Try to answer what you hear from the story. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who drive the car? Option A, my mother. Option B, my father. Option C, my sister. Answer option B, my father. Question number 2. Where did the car go last month? Option A, park. Option B, mountain. Option C, playground. Answer option A, park. Question number 3. How is the park? Option A, ugly. Option B, unpleasant. Option C, beautiful. Answer option C, beautiful. Say true or false. Question number 4. The color of the car is blue. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer option B, false. Question number 5. The car can go very fast. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer option A, true. Question number 6. Park is an ugly place. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer option B, false. Fill in the blanks. Question number 7. The car takes us to many dash. Places. Question number 8. We went to the park in our dash. Car. Question number 9. I dash well there and return home. Played. Synonyms, similar words. Fast, speed. Drive, ride. Little, small. Antonyms, different words. Beautiful, ugly. Return, depart. Lost, first. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.